So guys, this is where the children, the buses, they pick their bus from and pick them up from school and drop them. Here is their field too. Okay, this is where they pick the buses. Okay, this is where they pick the buses. All right, I'm going to take you to where the buses are parked and see if it's cleared. Okay, if they are ready for school either tomorrow or Monday. All right, let's go. Okay. Are the glasses ready for school tomorrow or Monday? They are stuck in the snow. Look at it. They are in the snow. Okay, Ona. You see the buses in the snow. But anyway, some of the buses are cleared though. I guess. I don't know. Some have moved. Some of the buses moved already. But the ones that are not moved, there's still snow, and they are big buses, so I'm not scared. They can run over the snow and get the children out to school. But what I'm asking is, what baffles me is, have you tried the bus? Is it working? Is it starting good? Has it been heated up? Is it not frozen? It's been sitting for a while. When you don't know which one you are moving, it's in the snow for some time and it's cold in there. Okay, so you have to come pick it up. If you know who is moving on Monday, come just dress the bus, okay? Make sure it's working, is moving, and is ready to pick up the children from any site or community that you are being assigned to. So, guys, that is it. This is where the school buses are being picked up. And it's not quite ready, but I'm hoping that on Monday, tomorrow won't be possible, but on Monday it will be. Trust me, Monday it will be. I cannot take you inside, which I know is the same, but the ones that are inside to the other side is well I believe ready for for school. So that is it. Yeah, that is it. All right, so thank you. I'll see you. Now let's look at the school. You see, this is the street. Look at it. In front of the school. You see this big snow, and it's not like flaky, but it's icy. Okay, it's very icy. All right, very icy. Look at it. So this is where the children are going to walk. All right, this is how. Okay. Okay, you look at it. I'm going to walk up there. I'm going to walk up there. Some of them come from this side. This is the entrance of the school. Okay. It's a high school. Alright. This is it. This is their pavement. Their parking lot. Okay. Wooten. Okay, that's the second school. Okay, and this is where they're going here. Their walkway. Okay? You see the walk? The pavement? Do you see any pavement cleared? Nothing is cleared up to where I'm standing. Nothing is cleared. And what I'm afraid is this. When you enter the school, look at the look at in front of the school. Do you see? This is where I'm parked. You see where the red car is? Just look on the floor. Just look at it. Look at this. And this is the front of the auditorium, okay? So they're going to come here and break their legs. This is parking lot. Okay? You see? It's like a skating field. Did you see that? Okay? This is parking lot. You know how many children are enrolled in this big school? Okay? This is parking lot. Alright? This is it. Oh, it's very beautiful. Don't you like it? If your child is here, let's check. 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 Danger. Check. Check the floor. Check. Do you see what I'm seeing? That's me parked there. Do you see? This is good. Look at this big chunk of ice in front of the school. Who is going to come and break the... God have mercy. Do you see? This is a skating field. Okay, bring your skateboard here and come and have fun. Okay. You see? This is auditorium. So auditorium with ice in front. Alright, this is it. Alright. How do you see this? Entrance of school. This is school entrance. way. I have to get down. This is me. I'm parked here, okay? This is the entrance of the school. As you drive to the school, this is the entrance, okay? This is the entrance of the school. Alright. I don't know if I can drive through to the back. The whole place is filled. No pavement, no field to drive on. The whole place is full. Alright. This is the back of the school and the entrance as well. Okay. This is it. So I don't know how this is gonna be. If they are to come to school at the time they were expecting them. Okay. This is what it is, okay? This is where the drop off. You see, they say buses only, alright? One-way buses only, okay? So look at where the buses were going to park, alright? So this is how it is, the entrance of the school. Thank you. I am done here. So the school, the first school, elementary school, this is their playground that when they come to school they play. Okay, this is how it is now. So no game for them when they come to school. This is their pavement. Okay, that's the pavement. That's the school. Okay, I'm walking to where their municipal or their principal will park when they come to school. Okay, and this is the whole parking lot. All right, the parking lot. Okay, and I'm taking you to where the staff parks. Okay, where their staff park. This is it. This is the staff park. So what I'm trying to say is, you see the park, half is cleared and half is full of snow. If you go far, you will see, you can't even see the road behind the snow. Okay, this is, you see the lines where the car park for the staff in the school. This is how it is. This is how it is. Okay, so I'm going back. Thank you. The little ones, you see their playground is full of snow. See? It's full of snow. Full of snow. That is it. That's the elementary school. Thank you. Some of the children pass here. So this is the elementary school for the community that I live in. So they're telling me that the children should come to school. I don't know where the parents are going to park. That's the parking lot you see over there. Okay, half snowed and half left. I don't know where they're going to park. Okay, this is the community. All right, this is the community. That's the community. Okay. That's the community. Alright. That's the community. The school. The first school. And this is where I'm talking about. You see, the parking is half plowed and half left behind. Okay, so this is what it is. This is what it is. Okay, this is the children's park where they play, the play yard. Okay, so this is the play yard for the children when they come to school. Alright, okay, I'll pause here. I'm going to the next school. And you see here, everywhere is white. We're going to sit in this for months. For months and months and months. You sit in this cold white snow for months and months and months and months. Look how hip it is. Oh, gracious. What sort of punishment is this? What is this? Punishment. Look at this. Snow. Huh? Look at this snow. Do you see this? Snow. Snow. We are sitting in snow. In snow. Look at this. Huh? Look. This is where we are. Living in snow. Oh, Lord have mercy. What is this? Snow. Snow. Oga, snow. After snow for 2 days. We just finish it and see what we are living in. We walk in it, we sleep in it, we dine in it. Look at this. Huh? Look at this. Who is this? Oh, gracious. You see snow? No. Me, I'm not going to live in this snow. Look, we can't even put our trash cans out. It's hanging on the snow. We are in snow. Look, playground. Look, and you want to travel, eh? Come. You are welcome. This is snow. Behind my house. Jesus. This is snow. Snow. This is snow. Look at snow on the street. All the cars are blocked. Look at it. Look at this post office car. Thank God it's out on the street. That is snow. You see what is going on. Where are the children going to stand? To go to school? And these people don't understand. Like this. Where will the children be? Where are they going to be? Where are they going to be? To wait for the bus. Okay, the bus will come to house by house if you want them to go to school. Look at stairway. Look, stairway. Look at it. I'm taking you to the street where the bus will come in the morning and pick them up. That's where the pavement is covered with snow. Instead of the pavement being shoveled, this is how we escort our children to school. This is how our children are going to go to school. This is snow. This is snow. You see? The neighborhood. This is where the bus comes and pick them. Okay, look at snow. Let me show you. Look at snow. Check where the children they stand. Look at here. Look, check the pavement. Do you see the pavement? Somebody is gonna fall very soon. You see what is going on? Do you see what is going on? Do you see? Let me take you. This is the entrance. The entrance to the community. This is where the children stand to take the bus. Okay, let's go. This is where the children stand for the bus. to come. Do you see this? Is this clear? Is this okay for the children? They come here. They stand here, right here. They stand here for the bus to come. Huh? They stand here for the bus to come. Where are they going to? Do you see this? Huh? Do you see this? Yeah? Their walkway to come to the bus stop. That's what I'm showing you. The car that just passed. You see? That's their walkway to come. Do you see the pavement they stand? Huh? Look at it.